Friends, in today's topic, we are going to cover how to create a map chart in QGIS. Please see, this is the map chart. This is a map chart of the Indian state Uttarakhand, taking some sample data. The map chart is populated. So these are few sample data. Taking on sample data, the map chart is populated. Let us see using QGIS how we'll generate a map chart. Here it is the QGIS on title project. First we have to click on under menu toolbar, we have to click on layer, then click on add layer, then click on add vector layer. Then the vector dataset we have to select, that is nothing but our esteemed shape file we have to select. We click on browse. Here the shape file named as uttarakhand.shp, we select that one. So please click on open, then click on add, then click on close. So here the map of Uttarakhand populated. Uttarakhand state having 13 districts. Through vector layer we populated that map from Uttarakhand shape file. So let us see whatever this shape file have the data. So to see that we have to right click on Uttarakhand, that layer we click on right click, then click on open attribute. This is the table. This is the table. Here the name underscore one, that is for Uttaranchal, that is nothing but common name. That is the now the name of state is Uttarakhand. This name underscore two, that represent the district name. These are the districts of Uttarakhand. So we have added the new column, that is corona underscore case, corona underscore cas, we have named it. So here the value of corona case already updated. Okay, and if you want to edit that one, then we have to click on this pencil like icon, that is toggle editing mode. Then we can change here. Suppose we want to change here, we can make it. Okay, so we have to save, then we have to close it. Then right click on this layer named as Uttarakhand, then click on properties. Then we have to go for a labeling. So click on this and select the single labels. So we have to display the district wise corona cases. I mean, that is a sample data we have taken. So we have to select the corona underscore case. That value we have selected. Okay, then we have to click on apply and OK. See how the district wise corona case values updated here. Then we will work on symbology. So click on that layer Uttarakhand, click on properties. Then this is the icon for symbology. So click on that. Then we have to select the graduated. Here the symbology work on the value of corona case. Based on corona cases, the symbology will be populated. I mean, that will be populated based on the color ramp. Here the color ramp is red. We can change our color ramp. So for our choice, we select blue. Based on the values of corona cases, higher the value, darker blue will be in the segment. Lower the cases, lighter color will come in the segment. Here segment, nothing but that is represent the district only. So we change the color ramp. After changing that color ramp, we have to select the mode. So we have to select the pretty break. Here click on the pretty break. These ranges are the corona cases within 2000 to 2345, that is the highest darker value. Then from 1500 to 2000, that is just less darker than the darker. So you can see gradually less the value, lighter the color is. So we have to apply on, click on apply and click on OK. So we can see the highest value, darker the region is. This is the Dehradun. Okay, so here we have to generate a map chart. So how to generate that map chart? We have to click on project, then click on new print layout. We have to give a name. Suppose corona cases in Uttarakhand. So click on OK. Here we have to add a map. Please click on the icon add map. We click on the icon add map, then draw a rectangle on this window. Then the map of Uttarakhand is populated here, which consists of corona cases district wise. So after that we have to give a or add a label to a map for better understanding what the map is representing. So we have to give a name to the map in mode of adding a label on the header. So we can change the name. We can write district wise corona cases in Uttarakhand. District wise corona cases in Uttarakhand. So we can change the font color as per our choice. So we select this blue. Then we are planning to increase the font size. So here the font size is 10.00. We can increase. See how the font size is increasing. Okay. So once the label is added, then we have to add a legend to the map chart. So please click on this add legend. click on this add legend icon. And this legend will be give you the ranges of the individual district at. So now the map is already ready. So the map chart is ready. So we can export as a PDF. So click on this export as PDF. Suppose we give the name as Corona cases in Uttarakhand. It will be saved that chart in .pdf extension. We click on save, and similarly if you want to export as image, we have to click on this icon and it will be exported as an image file. So see, our expected file is stored or not. Let us check. Corona case in Uttarakhand just we exported now in PDF mode. So let us check that one. Okay, click on open Adobe. See, this is the map chart we have generated for the reporting purpose, etc. We can use that map. So that is the motto of the tutorial today. So this tutorial shows how a map chart can be generated for better understanding using QGIS, and based on the number of cases, how the region belongs to in which category. I mean, what is the corona status of this particular district. Thank you very much.